Can you talk about the strategy that that people are using in opposing this? Democrats and Congress have spoken out, some of them, around the issue of secrecy. The reason we know this agreement, what's in it, right, is because WikiLeaks released a draft of it about a year ago. But, you know, going back to 1999, the World Trade Organization in Seattle, for example, the massive protest outside led to the World Trade Organization, basically the whole ministerial being called off. What kind of organizing is taking place right now?
Well, actually, what shut down the WTO expansion was a combination of inside and outside. So folks saw the protests in the street in Seattle in '99, but there was an entire year of campaigning, country by country, around the world to get the governments who were going to that meeting to agree to not do certain things and to demand certain things. And where we are in the campaign now is basically folks have to ramp up the inside and the outside, which is to say, you may think it sounds corny. I swear it makes a difference. I've worked in Capitol Hill. Folks, if you have not called your representative and both of your senators and gotten them to commit to you in writing that they will oppose fast track if and when it comes for a vote, which could be as soon as the third week of April. If you have not done that, you must do that. Please do that. Write them snail mail, email, call. The switchboard at the Capitol can connect you. If you're not sure who your representative is, all you need is your zip code. The Capitol switchboard, you should write this down and stick it on a yellow sticky on your fridge for all purposes. 202-225-3121. 202-225-3121.
Lori,
but the other
we're
thing
going to have
to do is
we're going to have to leave it there.
We have a webinar today, tradewatch.org. You'll learn all you need to know. Tradewatch.org, webinar today.